Good morning, guys. My alarm just went off. It is 5:45 in the morning, and this is usually when I start my day. If you want to win at the different things you've got going on in your life, accomplish your goals, you got to get up early. That's one of the biggest commonalities I have seen in successful people that I am modeling. We're going to go through the day of the life of a content marketing manager. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So one of the most important things to do when you're starting your day, as soon as you get out of bed, is to make your bed. It's a quick win, and once you have a small quick win, it primes your mind to think about winning for the rest of the day. And then the next thing I usually do is I'll get my workout clothes, my workout shoes on. I'll grab my workout headphones and grab anything else that I need off of my dresser. And then I'm gonna, and I do this just because I get ready to do my morning workout after I get a few other things accomplished. So we're gonna go ahead and go make some coffee, get some water, take some of my daily supplements that I take. Okay, I forgot to mention, gotta brush my teeth before I make the coffee. You always have to brush your teeth and regularly floss. All right, just finished brushing my teeth. Now let's head over into the kitchen. And the other thing I like to do after taking my supplements there is I actually will get my daughter's breakfast ready and laid out for my wife, Katie, so she has one less thing to do. Supplements here from Relive. I've been taking them for, I don't even know, 8-9 years now. I started taking them when I was a competitive swimmer training, but they're some of the best nutritional supplements I think I have ever had. I've tried a lot in the past. If you guys want more information about them, let me know in the comment section. I can send over some more information. But one of the things, multiple reasons I take it is keep up my immune system. It helps keep my mental clarity up. And it also helps me with recovery and just make sure that my body's getting the nutrition that I need. You know, I really like to take these products every day. Coffee's about done. Let's go ahead and grab a cup of coffee. All right, guys, I am out here in my pool lanai area. Got my coffee here. And the next thing that I usually do while I'm out here enjoying the beautiful sunrise is this is my prayer time, meditation time, and then also I review my goals. So I actually like to, for my devotions, I actually like to go to utmost.org. So my utmost for his highest is an amazing daily devotional that I like to go through. And then depending on the day, so today is the 3rd, I will actually read Psalms and Proverbs pertaining to the particular day. So that's what I'm doing right now. So the next thing after I do my devotions, prayer, meditation, looking at my goals, a little bit of journaling, the next thing I do is actually review a few of my email inboxes, and once I have a chance to review them, I'll create a quick task list. So I'll show you that, and then I'll show you, I look at my calendar, all of my current blocks of time that I have for the day on things that I need to accomplish. After I do that is when I will actually get ready to go on a workout. So I'll usually listen to a podcast or music while I do my workout. So let's go ahead and get through this, and then we'll get ready to go on a run. All right, guys, I'm gonna go out for my run now. I'm not sure how long of a run it will be, so we'll see. We'll see if I'm able to survive when I come back. All right, guys, I just did a 1 mile run and then a 9 mile bike ride. Just made it back into the garage. So I'm gonna grab my computer and my headphones, catch up on team management tasks, some task review for some of the team members we've got. So let me go ahead and grab my stuff. Hi to everyone. Say hi, everyone. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Good job. She's working on her ABCs right now. There's Gabe. Hi, Gabe. We're walking while I'm checking updates, looking at my email. I am going to review some of the updates content that the developer, our web developer, implemented on the staging site. So that's what I'm going to be doing pretty much for the majority of the next hour or so. All right, so I finished going through a list of some of the site edits that I've got to do. I end up checking Asana after I do another task just to see what else needs to be done. So here's another task that I need to do to be able to rewrite some content on a client site. And then, yeah, after that, I'm gonna move on to the next stage of deep work. So I kind of reserve an hour or two every day for like content creation, and I listen to deep flow or flow state music just because it helps me mentally get into that kind of gear, I guess is the word I'll use to describe it.
Hey, Mama.
Hi, everyone. Say what's up. Say what's up. What's up? Okay, say bye. All right, got my cup of coffee. So now I am gonna head and jump back into doing my work here. All right, guys, just finished doing another quick task. It's about 9 a.m. I'm gonna hop on social media and start doing a social media post for my personal profiles. I try to do one every day, every other day, or every 3 days. I'm gonna be jumping into some of my deep work. Also, you know, before I do that, I'm gonna check some of my other social notifications that I've got. Check in some of the analytics for some of the other websites that I'm currently managing and see how that's going. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, took a quick break. I am now eating a snack. I've got some fruit and cheese sticks that I am eating right now. So I'm gonna be eating this while watching a quick motivational video on YouTube. Getting through these updates here pretty quickly. So I'm gonna hammer that one out real quick and then jump into some of the other content writing pieces that I've got. So I'm gonna do it. All right, guys, just hop out of the shower. Going to brush my teeth here real quick and grab a bite of lunch and get ready for a client call that I've got coming up here.
Dad.
You eating your lunch? What are you eating? Say applesauce. All right, guys, ate my lunch, made some tea, and now I'm just getting ready, prepping for my next client call that I've got here in about 20 some minutes. So my client call actually got rescheduled to next week. So I'm just gonna jump back into writing some more content and doing a few more client updates. I'm transitioning into the period of the day where I do a lot more team communication, team check-in. So we use Slack to stay all connected. So usually the conversation happens back and forth between Asana and Slack. I'm just gonna keep doing that for an hour or so and then probably take a quick break. And I'm gonna be jumping into doing some social media analytics check-ins here. By that point, it'll be around supper time. And then I've got another client call later. All right, guys, I just finished up working for a few hours here, and I'm gonna be getting ready to eat supper here. It's about 4 p.m. I've got another call at 5 p.m. Say hi. Okay, get in your chair. Say bye for everyone. Say bye. Say bye. We'll see you in a bit.
It's a popular springboard for island adventures.
Okay. Okay.
Scottish castle.
Why are you crying?
True Scottish passions.
Say hi to everyone. Alright guys, I am out here. I took my daughter to play in her house 13 minutes before I need to go hop on the call. Got a client call. You want to say hi to everyone? Oh, yum. We're gonna jump into that here shortly. Hey guys, just finished up with my Zoom client call. Monthly review of what was going on with their website, any new content projects that we had just finished up, checking in on how the analytics were for those different projects, determine what were some of the next projects that we are going to create. Got a few more content projects that I need to get planned out. They've got to be created relatively quickly. So I am gonna create a few notes here and then probably take a break, and then I'll probably end up doing about another hour or so worth of work before I end up going back to bed. So, and starting a new day and doing this all over again. Hey guys, I am back out here in my lanai area, just checking social media, checking my emails again, and then I'm probably gonna call it a day. And it's about 6:30, and I've got a few like side projects that I'll probably check in on or work on. I'm constantly creating content for things that I really like, I really enjoy. I've also got my podcast, Marketing Masters, that I work on, so I'll usually create like some kind of content, do some recordings. I'm gonna be doing a lot more guest interviews here sometime soon, so communicating with them, scheduling that is something else that I might be doing, and then hopefully release it to you guys when it is available. So I'm gonna finish this up and then I will be back shortly. Hey guys, I am sitting here just listening to some music. I'm probably gonna get ready to go to bed here. It's almost 9 p.m. and this is usually when I start my daily shutdown. So put the phone away, get ready for bed, go brush my teeth, all those kinds of things. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to get that done, but really appreciate you guys tuning in to watch a day in the life of a content marketing manager. Let me know if you have any questions or would like to know more information. I'd love to see you guys' day in the life videos too. If you want to make some of those, I'd be glad to tag you in it. So thank you guys. Remember to keep moving forward, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.